Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying your environment so the install goes smoothly. Open Chrome and make sure you're signed into the profile you want the extension on. This keeps settings synced. Once done, check Chrome's update menu so you have the latest security patches and extension compatibility. If you plan to load unpacked extensions later, enable developer mode in Chrome, //extensions, but only when necessary. Leaving it off reduces risk. Now move to the web store to find your extension. You search the Chrome web store and pick the extension that matches your needs. Reading the description explains how it integrates with pages. Once you pick one, inspect the listed permissions so you understand access to data or tabs. This is why you checked the profile earlier. Click Add to Chrome, then accept the permission dialog. Chrome downloads and installs automatically. After installation, pin the extension to the toolbar for quick access. Next, configure its settings if required for your workflow. You now configure the extension via its options page, adjusting permissions and behavior so it does exactly what you expect. Make sure to set site access rules. Restricting it reduces privacy exposure. If the toolbar icon isn't visible, use the extensions menu to pin it. For problems, disable other extensions to isolate conflicts, then restart Chrome. If that fails, remove and reinstall the extension. One key troubleshooting tip: clear relevant site data and relaunch Chrome to fix permission or caching issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.